Ladies and gentlemen, belief is the unseen force that turns possibility into reality. It is not enough to merely want something, you must believe it is already yours. Belief shifts the inner conversation, aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with the fulfillment of your desire. Without belief, imagination remains an idle dream. Belief removes resistance and doubt, creating a clear channel for manifestation. It is like a spark that ignites the fire of creation. When you believe, you no longer question if or when, you simply know it is done. This certainty is what propels the unseen into the seen, the imagined into the experienced. Belief is not passive. It demands a complete surrender to the conviction that what you desire is real, even if the world says otherwise. It is the power behind every great change, the fuel for transformation. In this state, time bends, obstacles dissolve, and the universe moves to fulfill the vision you hold. Belief is not something you seek outside yourself, it is within you, waiting to be awakened. When you claim your desire with unwavering belief, the work is already done in the invisible. The visible must follow. Immediate assumption is the act of stepping into the state of fulfillment without hesitation. It means accepting in this very moment that your desire is already a reality. This is not wishful thinking, it is a deliberate act of imagination and feeling. By assuming the wish fulfilled now, you bypass the limitations of time and space. Assumption shapes your inner world, which in turn reshapes the external. When you assume, you do not wait for evidence, you become the evidence. Your thoughts, feelings, and actions align naturally with the state you have claimed. This alignment draws the desired reality to you, just as a magnet attracts iron. It is not the passage of time that manifests your desire, but the depth and persistence of your assumption. The power lies in making the claim instantly and living in its truth. By doing so, you activate the creative energy of the universe, which moves according to the convictions you hold. Immediate assumption leaves no room for doubt. The moment you assume, you occupy the space of the fulfilled desire. Every thought and emotion reinforces the state, making it as real within as it will soon be without. In this act, the journey ends and the manifestation begins. Faith compresses time. Faith operates beyond the boundaries of time and logic. It is the unwavering conviction that what you desire is already accomplished, even when no physical evidence exists. Faith collapses the distance between the present moment and the fulfillment of your vision, making the unseen tangible and the impossible achievable. Time is merely a construct of the mind, tied to doubt and disbelief. When you hold faith, you no longer measure progress by hours, days, or years. Instead, you live in the certainty that the outcome is already secured. This certainty alters your perception and allows events to unfold with miraculous speed. Faith eliminates resistance. Without resistance, the energy required for manifestation flows freely, unhindered by fear or hesitation. What might take years through effort and struggle happens effortlessly in moments when faith is unwavering. This is the law of creation working in its purest form. Faith is the key to commanding the forces of the unseen. It compresses time by anchoring you in the state of fulfillment here and now. Every thought and feeling you entertain while in this state accelerates the arrival of your desired reality. Imagination is the divine faculty through which all things are made. It is the bridge between the invisible world of ideas and the visible world of form. Everything that exists first began as an image within the mind. By using your imagination deliberately, you become the architect of your reality, shaping it according to your desires. Imagination does not operate in the realm of limits. It transcends the physical and the logical, opening doors to infinite possibilities. When you vividly imagine a desired state, you plant a seed in the unseen realm. This seed, when nurtured with feeling and belief, begins to grow and take shape in your external world. The power of imagination lies in its ability to make the unreal feel real. By dwelling on the vision of your fulfilled desire, you condition your mind and emotions to accept it as true. This mental acceptance alters your vibration and aligns you with the experiences that match your vision. Through imagination, you do not merely observe reality, you create it. What you hold persistently in your mind becomes the blueprint that the universe follows. The greater your clarity and conviction in the image you form, the faster it materializes into your life. Alignment is the synchronization of your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs with your desired outcome. The urgency lies in realizing that every moment you delay aligning with your vision, you allow doubt, fear, and resistance to take hold. To manifest, you must align now, not later. Alignment begins within. It is not about external circumstances, but the internal state you occupy. When your inner world reflects the reality you seek, the outer world has no choice but to conform. This inner alignment is not optional, it is the fundamental requirement for creation. The urgency is rooted in the nature of time and energy. Every thought and emotion you entertain has creative power. By hesitating or wavering, you scatter your energy, making it harder for your vision to materialize. Immediate alignment focuses and directs your energy, amplifying its effect. In alignment, you embody the feeling of already having what you desire. This state magnetizes the resources, people, and opportunities necessary for your vision to come to life. The longer you wait to align, the more you postpone the arrival of your manifestation. Therefore, the time to align is always now. Persistence is the continuous and unwavering focus on your desired state until it becomes reality. It is the refusal to let external circumstances, doubts, or delays divert your attention. Through persistence, you impress the vision of your fulfilled desire onto the subconscious mind, which faithfully brings it into existence. The law of persistence requires you to remain steadfast, even when no evidence supports your vision. Every thought, feeling, and action must remain aligned with the end you seek. This consistency reinforces the creative process and prevents opposing forces from taking root. Persistence transforms imagination into reality by maintaining the inner conviction that the work is already done. It is not about forcing results, but about holding the feeling of fulfillment, no matter what appears in the physical world. This continued focus eliminates resistance and accelerates manifestation. To persist is to reject doubt and embrace certainty. It is an act of faith that moves mountains and reshapes circumstances. The law of persistence ensures that your unwavering attention will, in time, turn the invisible into the visible, the imagined into the realized. Silence is the state where external distractions fade, allowing your inner voice to grow stronger. It is within silence that you connect with the creative power of your imagination. By withdrawing from noise and chaos, you amplify your ability to focus and direct your energy toward the fulfillment of your desires. In silence, the mind becomes still and clarity emerges. This stillness removes the clutter of doubt, fear, and conflicting thoughts, creating a space for your vision to take root. The absence of outward activity allows the creative process within to unfold unhindered, magnifying the potency of your intentions. Silence is not passive, it is deeply active on the unseen plane. In this quiet state, you impress your desires onto the subconscious mind with greater force. The subconscious, unburdened by distraction, accepts these impressions more readily, accelerating their expression in the physical world. Through silence, you cultivate an inner strength that does not waver in the face of external circumstances. The power of creation is concentrated and intensified in this state, where your imagination and belief can work unimpeded. Silence becomes the fertile ground from which manifestation grows. 1 hour of conscious creation is a focused practice of deliberately shaping your reality through imagination, belief, and feeling. It is a sacred time where your attention is fully devoted to embodying the state of your fulfilled desire. This hour is not about effort, but about intentional alignment with the outcome you seek. In this concentrated period, every thought and emotion must reflect the reality you wish to experience. It is an hour of vivid visualization, where you see yourself already living your desired life. This practice strengthens the impression on the subconscious mind, ensuring that your vision becomes a commanding force. Conscious creation within this time involves immersing yourself in the feelings of accomplishment and joy, as if your goal is already achieved. This immersion creates a magnetic pull that draws the necessary conditions and events into your life. The deeper your focus during this hour, the more potent the effect. This dedicated period is a demonstration of faith and discipline. By consciously setting aside 1 hour, you amplify the creative energy within you. The act itself signals your commitment to your vision. reinforcing the belief that what you desire is inevitable and already unfolding. You, as the creator of your reality, are the operant power in your world. This means that all external circumstances and conditions are simply reflections of your internal beliefs, thoughts, and feelings. What you choose to focus on, imagine, and believe becomes the force that shapes your experiences. The concept of being the operant power is the realization that you are not a passive observer of life, but the active participant. The world around you responds to the commands you issue through your mind. Your thoughts are not idle, they are the energy that moves the unseen into the seen.